Okay guys, as you can see I'm logging into Animal Company and let's just check out the new update. Heard there was a new update. Okay, looks like that's new. And let's see what the BF means. What does? Well, not means, but does. Okay, we don't talk about that. If you know what AF means, please do not put it in the comments, cause you know why if you know what it means. Let's what looks like I just started over in my money and I have nothing, so still have all my items. Let's see what else. Those have been there. Oh, well, and then let's go see if there's any new items, because sometimes there's some items in here. Oh, my arm. Alright, I'm gonna probably buy something like the grenade launcher, and then I could also buy like one of these, like, oh, the friend launcher. Oh, the robot too. I'm probably buy the robot. Yeah, I'm gonna go do that. Crap. Shoot. I think I'll just, well, yeah, that's the update they added, pretty much. It wasn't really a big update, but they just added the robot, which is, if you don't know, you just get it from the new map. Well, the shipwreck, and then the friend launcher, which it looks like, yeah, it's pretty simple. And then they also added that grenade launcher too, and yeah. So, that's a quick video. I'm probably gonna do another one after this. So, oh, by the way, I will probably make a fan code just in case you guys want me to. Let's see. It should. Let's just make it. Let's do. My username, which is PRPLXD. And I'm not gonna add the 77. So this would be my new fan code. Actually, that's a little complicated. Let's just do like, oh, micro tag new XZ. That will be the fan code. Sorry, oh, I need you now. Does that sound good to you guys? Yeah, I think that'll be fine. What is? Oh, probably just a medal. But probably gonna do another one, trying to get some money, and yeah.